We're going to the kitchen. Let's go. To the kitchen. Off to the kitchen. Down to the kitchen. Up to the kitchen. Ooh, to the kitchen. Yeah, to the kitchen. To the kitchen. Alright, we're going to the kitchen still. How to make cold brew. What's up, Metro Heads? Welcome back to a brand new video. I don't have anything else after that. In this edition of this Friday's episode, we're doing something different, never before seen on this channel. It's going to be super fun.
Hold on.
What do you mean? Dude, you control all my videos.
We're not doing this again, bro.
You have another piece of paper.
Yes, I got another one.
Seriously?
Yes.
Alright.
Yeah, here you go.
Whatever. Yeah, we'll
Just
do what you do for today, but then next week it's
Okay,
back to
just
me.
take the
Next
paper.
week I'm calling the shots.
Okay, alright, that's cool, man.
This is
That's a
seriously
deal.
fucked up.
Just take the
Alright,
paper.
hand it here.
Okay.
Dude. This is a blank sheet
Yeah,
of
it's
paper.
for cinematic.
It's for,
it's for
okay.
it's just for the viewers.
Today what are we doing? Just tell them what we're doing so I can just actually get into it.
We're mixing cold brew.
Cold brew. We did what do you mean we're making cold brew?
This is an accoutrement.
What do you mean?
Whoa,
We did
relax,
accoutrement
bro.
like
Chill,
last
bro.
Sunday. It came out a couple of days. Well, it came out last week.
Yeah.
Yeah, my dad
This is
made
different.
pasta. What do you mean?
Yeah, I know he did.
This
This
isn't
is different.
accoutrements?
No,
Right,
it's not.
this isn't accoutrements.
No,
This
it's
is
not.
something new, I guess.
Yeah.
And we're making cold brew. What am I doing in my room? What are we doing in the studio? We gotta be down in the kitchen.
You're supposed to make
I
a
can't make cold
transition.
brew in my room. Right, well, I guess we're doing cold brew. I don't know what I'm doing still in here. We need to go back down to the kitchen. I didn't make a lick of sense there. We're out here in the kitchen making some cold brew. I know a lot of my fans are coffee lovers out there, but now you can't get your Starbucks, you can't really get your Tim Hortons, obviously because this COVID bullshit. So I'm gonna teach you how to make some cold brew at home. It makes about 6 to 8 cups. Super easy, super simple. Nothing that's gonna make you upset or swear, even though I've already done that a shit ton. You need about 400 milliliters of coffee beans or coffee grounds, doesn't matter, coffee beans work better. It's just about 2 cups. Need about 4.5 cups of water. About 2 tablespoons of vanilla, that's my addition. Some coffee filters or cheesecloth, you probably got these laying around your house just kicking up dust. And of course, a pitcher to mix all of it in. Boom, not that easy, fuck. Not that difficult. You probably have this stuff at home. So what you're gonna wanna do is dump your coffee beans into a food processing cup or a coffee grinder if you have either or works. I just use a NutriBullet. You might have one of these at your house. Again, it's not necessary, it's just better when you use coarser grounds, because if you think of tea is coarse and large and absorbs all the water and makes that beautiful, You just stick her in and give it a couple pumps and let the blades do their magic, you know what I'm saying? A couple quick pumps and we've already got our coarse ground coffee beans. Literally took about 15 seconds, nothing. It smells like heaven if I know it. All right, next, you wanna get your empty pitcher. Just go ahead and dump your grounds in there. Bada bing, bada boom. Next, 4 cups of water. Everyone's got water. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. Bada bing, bada boom. Then you take your trusty tablespoon. If you don't have a tablespoon, you can use a regular spoon in your house to just kind of eyeball it. This wasn't in the recipe, but if you know coffee, you know coffee goes well with pretty much anything. So you can mix in, I don't know, vanilla. You can mix in cinnamon if you want. You can mix in a little bit of cocoa powder if you want to take a little of that bitterness away. It's really up to you at the end of the day. At the end of the day, I don't really know what the hell I'm doing either. So just, you know, 2 of these bad boys. Well, it looks like we're only gonna get 1.5. Ugh. So it's roughly gonna make about 6 to 8 glasses of coffee. This is the only catch of this process, is that you're gonna wanna put it in the fridge overnight for about 12, 16, and 24 hours. Doesn't really matter. It just has to steep over that 12-hour mark, just to make sure that all that coffee and caffeine is steeped into the water. So from TV Magic that we got at the good 2000 Studios, I've already had this sitting overnight, actually longer than 24 hours. So it's probably gonna be potent as hell and get us right wired in the Bowman household. Dad, I could actually use your help for this one, bud. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just strain this a couple of times just to get those grounds out, because I don't know about you, but I hate ground coffee in my coffee. I like that shit pure as hell, like Purell. Did you like that one?
That's funny. Sure, I can do that.
Get my trusty sidekick Ron Bowman in here from Accoutrements. Oh yeah, actually, I forgot that stuff. So as you can see, it's not going that fast. Problem number 1, you want to get your coffee into your belly as soon as possible. The coffee strainer is making it a little long. Soak this in water before, so it doesn't, so the coffee, what are these called? Coffee filters don't try to absorb all that coffee.
Someone needs to plan a little better.
Plan? What do you mean plan? I've been planning for 3 days. Would you like some?
No, I'm good.
It's a little too strong. Hey man, do you like coffee grind? Here, come in here.
No.
Let's have a chat. Do you like coffee grinds in your coffee?
I don't mind a few.
You're supposed to say no.
No.
He doesn't. See, we all don't like it. I know you guys go to Starbucks. Some of you guys work at Starbucks. I mean, who really goes to Tim Hortons anymore? I don't know. But, you know, we're just out here trying to make our own cold brew. So the next step and final step, the best step, is the pour and the drink. So what I like to do is crack a few ice cubes first. The only thing worse than warm beer, okay, let me restart that. Fuck, I had this bit. Coffee is a lot like beer, and you can either drink coffee cold or very hot. You can't drink it lukewarm. Beer, you can only drink it cold. Can't drink it hot or lukewarm, it tastes like piss. We don't want that. We want good cold iced coffee, home brew. So just pour it over your ice there. And you can't have a great iced coffee cold brew without some PJs. No purchase necessary, or whatever they say. But yeah, just some nice cream to go and top that off. Make it a true Irish coffee there. Stir it. And the final, most bestest step is the drinking part. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh. Does anyone want to try any? Okay, here's the taste test. We haven't done this on Accoutrements. This isn't Accoutrements. Taste test. Irish cold brew. Yeah, that's good, eh? Yeah, no, it's dangerous. I could drink a whole glass of that, no problem, but it's...
Oh, that's really good.
It's 9 p.m., so we're not going to do that, you know what I'm saying? Help me send off the video. Alright, this was not Accoutrements. It was a Friday video, but we did food anyways. Thank you for watching. Sunday, stay tuned, surprise. Thank you.
Laters.
Holy shit. It's just so good.